In this video, we will show you how to view classroom appointments, registration forms, and join a classroom meeting. When you are logged into ConexED, select Classrooms from the left-hand panel, Upcoming Classroom Meetings. You will see your scheduled classrooms, attendees, and this classroom link will appear. You'll notice the Join Classroom option appears 5 minutes before the start of that scheduled session. To enter, simply select Join Classroom. It will open the classroom in a new browser tab or window. If you'd like to make changes to an existing classroom, edit, review attendees, you can edit, see, and make changes here, view attendees, and at the bottom, we also have a waitlist option. I can add students to the waitlist or move from the waitlist as an attendee. I can see the number who have registered, those in the waitlist, and move students or participants from the waitlist as a registered guest. Once they have been moved, they will receive an email confirmation with the classroom meeting link.